Salute to everybody coming through. High energy today. We're gonna get it in. Summertime around the corner is one of my favorite. As you know, I say a lot of my workouts are my favorite, but it is one of my favorite. We're gonna stay shredded all year long. And this is one of the workouts that I do so I can stay shredded almost all year long. Building that wide back, getting that endurance in, and of course, for the exercise, one of them burpees, you feel me? We're gonna hit all muscles today. Full body calisthenics workout today. We ain't really worrying about the reps today. We're gonna worry about form, and we're gonna teach y'all how to breathe and be able to throw in a few tips with diet. And we got that verse of the day. We got the verse of the day, you know. We're gonna get it in. Salute everybody on YouTube coming through, TikTok. We won't be on Instagram as much, but we on here. We're gonna get it in. We already stretched a little bit. It's usually my rest day on the weekend, on a Saturday, but you know what? There ain't no fun unless, you know, you get some calisthenics done. Hey, don't take that. That's gonna be on somebody's shirt. Ain't that right, Teddy? Ain't no fun unless you get some calisthenics done. Teddy don't even care right now, man. So first off, I used to start off on the pull-up bar. I like to go ahead and get a little stretch in just to make sure everything is aligned, so I hang a little bit. You may see my feet on the ground a little bit, but the whole point is just to hang. This number one is gonna be able to help align your back and your spine. Sometimes, well, not sometimes, we're all human, so the gravity is inevitable. So when you're walking around all the time, your spine is always, you know, clamped down, it's always together. So sometimes it's to stretch it out, be able to help so much, help with inflammation, help with a little bit of arthritis, and it helps you have upright posture. Stand up straight on them, y'all men, stand up straight. So just hang for a little bit. I do about maybe like 10 seconds or so. You have to hang for so long, but make sure you hang, get that good stretch. It also helps with them lats to get that big stretch when you're doing pull-ups or overall back growth or width. It'll help you grow those wings, you feel me? Hit that like as y'all coming through. It's time to get that work in. Where y'all at with it, man? Hit that like, we got 2 on there. What's good, what's good? Salute. What's going on, everybody? Hit that like for me. Y'all, if y'all ain't gonna catch it today, it's a Saturday, y'all might be out and about. Replay this will be a good one. All right, so what we're gonna do is we got 3 different exercises. Keep it nice and smooth today. We got an upper body, you feel me? We got an overall, which comes with the burpees, and we're gonna do legs. So we're gonna do a leg workout. We got burpees for the endurance, and we got pulls that's gonna be able to help that upper body, okay? So we do gotta push, pull, and legs. Ain't nothing better than that when it comes to a workout, you feel me? All right, so you already stretched a little bit before on camera, but we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit more. So on the pulls, we're gonna go through every part of the pull-up, okay? From our grip, to the stretch, to the squeeze. You have to be able to create that mind and muscle connection so you can grow them lats. For the burpees, we're gonna keep it slow with it. We're gonna do a full burpee. We do similar like the jailhouse style here. We don't do that jump and all that, okay? What we do, be able to at least come down, touch our toes, get a good stretch, hit the ground, and the way you get up off that ground is you push yourself off that ground. You don't use complete your legs to get off. I want you to push so hard off that push up on that burpee to get up off that ground. We're just doing 3 to 5. We're keeping it real smooth. It's a beginner workout. Then we're gonna go ahead and get to the legs. We'll do back lunge, then body weight squat. It's like a triple threat joint, but what it's gonna do is be able to hit every point. Hit them glutes, hit them hamstrings, and hit them quads. You feel me? All right, so we'll do the first one. I'm gonna go real slow with it. With the pulls, all depends on you with the grip. You can switch up the grip every single set. You can do chin-ups, pulls, you can do neutral, you can do reverse grip. It don't matter with that. Just make sure that you're switching it up each exercise, and with each set when you're doing this workout, all right? So we're gonna start off just traditional, regular traditional, about wide and shoulder length. And of course, as we're doing pull-ups, I want to be able to get that thumb over so I can really work on pulling with these lats. With a pull-up is about pulling with lats. How many times I said that on videos, man? Hundreds, man. I don't know, they listening to me, huh? A lot of times. I try to tell y'all when it comes to pull-ups, thumb over bar. You're worrying about, yeah, it's about building that gorilla back, man. Exactly. When you squeeze the bar too much when you're doing pull-ups, you're putting too much emphasis on your forearms and your biceps. Or just pull with them lats. They just hooks, okay? Maybe I get that spray. Well, no, you know, it just flies. Ain't no mosquito, it just flies. It's just acting wild today. That's cool. So thumbs over on the bar when it comes to the pull-ups. They pull over here, legs straight as possible, and you're pulling towards your chest. Okay? Pulling towards your chest. Pull. Big stretch at the bottom. Ready? 4, and you look good. You're doing about 5 to, if you're feeling good, do 7 to 10. For the enemy and the beginner right now, just do 5 to 7. We're focusing on quality right now, okay?